Hi guys, welcome to my fourth Android development tutorial. In the last tutorial we created a small program and in this program we created a button, and whenever this button is clicked it called on click method, and inside this method we are calling another method, how are you, and when this method is called, the text of our button Android is sleeping is replaced by Android says I am awake. um, it is possible to create and attach widgets to our activity purely through Java code, as we did in this tutorial. But the most simple way is to use XML layout. In this tutorial, we will learn how to lay out Android activities view using XML. And in this tutorial, we will convert this program uh, using the XML layout. So um, in the resource folder you will find a layout, and then there will be a main XML file. In this file you can already see that Eclipse already generated a tree of XML for us. What is an XML layout? Each XML file contains a tree of element specifying a layout of widgets and containers that make up our layout. So let's begin. For our button, actually we are not in need of this code, so I'm going to delete it. First of all, we will write a button tag, and the root element needs to declare the Android XML namespace. After that, we will give a ID to our Android button, and I'm going to give a very simple name, button, which will be called by our Java file. Each widget which we will refer to our Java file will have a unique name. We can also give a text, but I am going to leave the empty text here, and then the height and width of our button. I'm not giving the specific height and width, I am just setting it to its parent widgets. And same for the height. Okay, and at the last we will close the button tag. I hope everything is fine here. Our Java file. First of all, I'm going to delete this line and assign this text in our XML layout. Here it will go. Save the file. Back to Java file, and what we will do next is to set the content view and link it to our XML layout. The next, we defined the ID for our button in our XML file, and then we will link it with our Java file. In this case, button find view by ID, and here we will give a name which we define in our XML file. So far so good. So Now it's a time to test our Java program. Uh, the difference in the last tutorial and in this tutorial is that we um, separate our interface and the logic of our program in two different files. The layout is in XML file, which is the most recommended way in the Android development, and the control and the logic all goes to our Java file. It's easy to maintain, easy to extend, and easy to handle. Now test our. It will take a while to install. Here we go. um, Android is sleeping at the moment, and we will poke it, and oh, Android says I am awake. um, Thanks guys for watching this video. I hope you learned and enjoy it. um, we'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you. Goodbye.